Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at types of numbers. So let's dive right in. Natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to infinity. Whole numbers include zeros, so 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to infinity. We have integers from negative infinity all the way to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to infinity, like that. Those are called integers. Rational numbers, so these are fractions. So all the numbers that can be written in the form a over b, where b is non-zero and a and b are integers. So note, all terminating decimals and all repeating decimals can be written as a fraction. Right? So a terminating decimal, 4.62, like that, or a repeating decimal, 0.333, repeating like that, those can be written as a fraction. So we can have 4, because you can write 4 over 1, 0, negative 5, 2 over 3, root 25, because that gives 5 over 1, like that. And so these are all examples of rational numbers. So irrational numbers are all of the numbers that cannot be written in the form a over b, where b is non-zero. So a couple examples: root 2, root 3, pi, 4.52893, etc., right? So this would be a non-repeating, non-terminating decimal. And if you get that, it's an irrational number. And so real numbers are rational numbers or irrational numbers. So either or is called a real number. Okay, so what we have is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, like that. So we have rational and irrational, and all that together are the set of real numbers. Okay, so time for some practice. Very simple. It's true or false. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, negative 2 is a whole number. False. It's an integer. 6 is a rational number. True. You can write 6 as 6 over 1, like that. 0.7 repeating is an irrational number. False. It's repeating, so it's a rational number. Pi is a real number. True. Root 9 is an irrational number. That's false. Root 9 is 3, which is the same as 3 over 1. That's a rational number. 0 is an integer. True. Negative 3 is a natural number. False. Negative 3 is an integer. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.